New data released today by the CMHC shows that the pace of housing starts dropped 38% from this time last year. This as consumer confidence took another bit of a hit this week, with Honda announcing it's pressing pause on its plans to expand EV production out of Alliston. Joining us to talk about all of this and more is real estate broker Peggy Hill. It's always lovely to see you.
Always lovely headlines to start with.
Absolutely. You're only here to talk about the good news, right?
No, absolutely.
So that's obviously tough news coming out of Newtecomsett right now. But there is, on the flip side, some signs that inflation is cooling. All of this kind of leaving it up in the air with what the bank's going to do.
The bank is probably going to cut in June. The next meeting's June 4th. I mean, we have pretty weak economic data. The jobs data is not pretty. They said they were postponing the battery plant. They didn't say they were scrapping it, whether that is true or not. But it all plays into consumer confidence. And it's not even so much consumer confidence. Do you know what it is? Like, people want to make a move. They have jobs, they want to make a move. However, they're terrified. They're terrified of who's next. It may be I'm next. And you can't blame people for thinking that. Like, you cannot blame people in this kind of environment to be careful.
There's a lot of unease for sure, and all this is coming as we just got some new data from the CMHC today, Peggy. It shows single detached units are way down. All other types of builds apparently are way up. What do we read into this?
We're reading that they're making the wrong kind of real estate again. And again, I mean, they build what's affordable and economical. I mean, that's not what people, when you go to Toronto and you hear all the nightmare about the Toronto condo market, it's because they built for the investor and they built condos under 500 square feet. So a family cannot move into a condo that's under 500 square feet. A family needs a home. So they need to build more detached homes, and they need to build those things, but they're not. And in all fairness, I mean, that's a good stat. It's the first breath we've had. It's still way down.
Exactly.
So it's just a headline.
It's just a headline. So we got about 30 seconds here. What's your advice to sellers in this uncertain time?
So the one thing I will tell to all sellers, I wanted to discuss this. Are things selling? Yes. If you're in Barrie, we have the same months of inventory that they do in Toronto. That never happens. Toronto is usually like 1 month of inventory. You know, you list, you sell, boom, you're gone. They have 4 months. We have 4 months. So if you're in the city of Barrie and you want to sell your home, you price it properly, you'll sell. But it won't be quickly. And that's where I find a lot of consumers right now, we're looking for that immediate fix. And that's not what this housing market is. This housing market needs patience. And the reason a lot of this is happening is because people are very emotional about their homes. They list their home, they don't get a showing. What's wrong with my house? Pull it off.
Yeah.
No, it's not your house. It is this market. But the best thing you can do in this market is wait it out.
It's not you, it's them.
It's them.
It's
not me, it's them.